Special Agent Robert Hanssen was a spy inside the FBI. He was a double agent who spied for the Soviet Union and Russia for over 20 years. People were literally executed because of his treason, which has been called the worst intelligence spy disaster in U.S. history. For 22 years, what if the most dangerous spy in American history wasn't some foreign agent, but a church-going FBI veteran? The guy who taught other agents how to catch spies. And what if the person that brought him down finally was only a 26-year-old undercover operative pretending to be his protege? That's the true story of Robert Hanssen, the FBI agent who caused the worst intelligence crisis in U.S. history. And Eric O'Neill, the man who lived inside the cage with him. As we mentioned, Eric O'Neill is on our show for an exclusive interview. Hanssen, the director who committed these treasonous crimes, which led to the execution of Americans and people that were serving the United States. He once asked Eric's wife to join his church group. Think about that for a second. That's part of how he blended mentorship with manipulation. It was about confronting what betrayal looks like when it wears a suit and tie, attends church on Sunday, comes to your house, speaks with your wife, and wears a wedding ring. Martinoff and Motorin were proof. Espionage isn't glamorous. It's cold, it's quiet, and it leaves no one clean. That's the real cost of the Hanssen case. Not the data, not the headlines, but the men whose names faded in the snow behind the prison outside Moscow. So this is where Eric O'Neill's story begins, in the long shadow left by men like Martinoff, Motorin, and Tolkachev, ghosts whose deaths haunted every hallway inside the FBI. Fast forward to the 1990s, whispers of a double agent or a mole inside the bureau were still echoing in FBI offices.